Meaning of drawing room.
Drawing room.
Drawing room.
Drawing room.
Drawing room. A drawing room is a formal room in a house used to receive guests. It was popular during the 18th and 19th centuries, when it was used for entertaining and socializing. Typically, these rooms were located near the entrance of the house, and were decorated with elegant furnishings such as sofas, chairs, tables, and sometimes even a piano. The name drawing room is derived from the idea that the room was a place where guests could withdraw from the rest of the house and relax in comfort and style.